I think everybody said almost the same thing in terms of pathfinder element and all that. But one thing here you need to start looking at critically is that if you look at this map now, first of all, you ask yourself, the first map provided you is saying what are the likely locations for gold. So the first map provided you the indicative locations. You know, it's not saying whether the gold is in commercial quantity. There's no concentration in terms of nothing shows about concentration here and all that. It's just talking about, okay, indications. Now, based on these indications here, you look at how this occurred. You look at the anomalies. In the first map, where Nana actually marked is the right place. Why? First of all, you understand that there are 3 dots linearly well aligned, telling you profiles, continuity, profile, continuity. Like this profile is 200. It means that this anomaly is minimum of 600 meters. So it's telling you that this is not something that there's a repetition along the profile. There's a repetition along the north-south direction. And this repetition also aligns with north-south structures there. This is the first interpretation you need to understand here before picking that, even all this, because there are a lot of other things. And the other person picked the other place, fine. But why the other place might not work is that there are some other pathfinder element that is not too strong there. But the most likely place is this place. Now, if you go again, you ask yourself, pathfinder elements, there are universal pathfinder elements in terms of gold. The universal ones are the arsenic. In every gold you will see everywhere, definitely you will see arsenic. You might not even see copper in some, but gold, copper, arsenic, iron are like must, you know. So if you look at it, the arsenic here is not so much, but it showed up, but it's not so much coinciding with where you actually picked for that gold. If you go to the silver coincides clearly. So that is telling you, man, pick this place. Then if you go to copper, copper is like, shows more clarity. You know, the concentration of copper there is very clear and linear. Then the iron there is like very, very clear. So looking at these coincidences of accessory elements, that tells you the best place to work on.